How we doing, everyone? Today we're going to be going over a self-administered thoracic extension mobilization. So this is for the middle of the back here. A lot of people complain about poor posture. So poor posture meaning our shoulders are rounding forward and our head is all the way out here. A lot of that has to do with the neck and shoulders. Yes, you can address those, but one of the biggest concerns is the rounding of the spine here and a little bit further up back here. We need to work on extension through there so you can have a more upright posture, your head's in a better position, and your shoulder mobility is much better. When we're here, you're not going to be able to lift your hand as far overhead as you really want to, as if we had that mobility. So I give this to almost every single patient that comes through the door, especially if they're dealing with neck, mid-back, shoulder pain. It's going to be very, very important. All you need is yourself and the foam roller. Foam roller is going to be placed right here. Now, a good position-wise, so you know where to put it. We're not going to roll the low back. We have an arch in the low back. You're not going to hurt yourself, but there's no need to roll the very, very lower part of the back. So for women, a good judge is going to be right below brow line. We're going to start there, right? So you're going to lay back, butt and feet are going to be on the floor. You're going to place your hands behind the head, and you're going to do a little chin tuck, push into your hands so your head drops back. We're going to stay right there. And then it's almost like a reverse crunch. You're going to do about 10 to 15 reps towards the floor, extending down this way. What you want to avoid is lifting up your butt to do this. We don't want to do that. So hands behind the head, chin tucked, and you're extending towards the floor. That's 1, 2, and you can go anywhere really from 8 to 15, whatever you're comfortable with. Then you're going to roll down an inch or two. Once you get there, same thing. 10, 15 reps. And you're going to slide down a little further. You're eventually going to get up to right the bottom part of the neck where most people feel that hump, that rounding occurring. We're going to go right there, and you're not going to be able to extend as far, so you're really going to have to push your head into your hands and drop your head back, and you will feel the motion right in that spot here, okay? So some people might find just comfortably just finding 1, 2, or 3 spots. I like to inch it up so you can mobilize every individual vertebrae in the spine. It's really up to you, whatever you're comfortable with, but it's a great exercise and most people really, really enjoy it. So give it that shot. Most people don't have any problems with this. When you first start it, it's very stiff and uncomfortable, but after even just a week or 2 of using it, it becomes a very favorable thing and people love getting on it, and especially after a long day of work of sitting down. It's going to be a great exercise for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to email us or talk to us when you come in the office. Give it a shot and hope it helps. Thanks.